The food blog Palette uses one of Weebly's great themes, but its creators have changed some of the default fonts to reflect their personal style. Now, these words look so good I could eat them. So how'd they do that? There are many font controls to play with in the theme section under Change Fonts. Let's look at paragraph text, which can make the most impact to the overall look of your site. Paragraph text controls the default font for all the text elements you add to your site. You can change the font family, style, size, weight, color, spacing, and height. There are over 100 font families here to choose from, but each one we provide is what is known as a web-safe font, which means any person using any browser on any computer will be able to view the font without any trouble. You can change the font size to any number you'd like. Just keep in mind that staying within 12 to 20 will make your paragraph text easy to read without having the effect of yelling at your visitors. Style and/or weight options depend on theme and can include normal, bold, light, and italic. Color here will open up a small range of recommended colors to choose from, which can be expanded with the arrow on the lower right, where you can enter a hex code. Make all the text uppercase, adjust the kerning or space between letters, and line height of your text. The rest of the font controls in this section contain the same options and follow the same control structure. Paragraph text controls the font for all your text elements. Paragraph titles control title elements. Navigation controls your site's navigation bar, and so on from there. You can see exactly what will be changed on a page by scrolling over the individual control. This highlights in blue exactly which kind of text will be changed by your updates. And that's how you do that.